Hi, I'm Lori Nelson, president of the Lower Columbia Basin Audubon Society. Audubon is undertaking a community science effort to research bird distributions and their habitat requirements throughout the West. We hope that you'll join us in this effort through the Sagebrush Songbird survey.
For this community science project, we have selected sagebrush obligate birds, sagebrush sparrow, brewer's sparrow, and sage thrasher. These are our priority songbird species. These birds indicate the healthiness of our sage steppe habitat. Today we will forage into the sage and find these birds.
Community science plays a critical role in conservation. Audubon provides the volunteer survey teams, and the Washington Department of Fish and Wildlife provides the scientific framework. Local Audubon chapters train volunteers and conduct the surveys.
First, every team member will be trained in the proper protocol because being trained is really critical to the success of this study.
Second, team members will learn to identify focal sage species. The members will share their bird knowledge to help mentor other members in bird ID.
Third, all team members will learn how to record the data and enter it into eBird. Sharing that data with scientists is very important.
All team members have specific roles. Everyone will listen and look for birds. The GPS operator will navigate to the point count location. The team will conduct a point count for 10 minutes, and the data recorder will record the data collected in that 10 minutes.
This is a breeding bird survey. So our field work will be performed between April 15th and June 30th. We will survey between a half hour after sunrise until 9 a.m.
We use these handy GPS units to navigate to our survey point.
We will record bird species that we see on our way into the point count.
Once you reach the survey stake, you should wait 3 to 5 minutes for things to calm down before you start your observation period.
During our sell down time period, we want to take account of the wind rating and the sagebrush density. If the wind is at 0, that means there's no wind. If the wind is a rating of 1, that means that the grass is going to be gently swaying. A wind rating of 2 means that the sagebrush are going to be moving a fair amount. Any more wind than that, we do not want to survey that day.
So Kevin, what about sagebrush density?
Yeah, of course, Lori. Thanks for asking. Of course, we want to establish which sagebrush we want to count. We want to count the sagebrush in a 100-yard radius that are over our knees. And of course, if there are 0 sagebrush in that radius, we're going to record 0. If there are 1 to 10 sagebrush that are over our knees in that radius, we record 1 to 10.
Okay.
Any more than 10, we just write 10 plus.
And about how big is that area that we're counting them over?
Yeah, the 100-yard radius would be a football field or a city block.
Okay. Okay, 10 minutes starts. Let's start counting birds.
I think we got everything. Now it's time.
So let's do our walkout count.
Let's do our walkout count.
Great. Okay. All right. Good job, guys. You now have the observation skills and knowledge to conduct surveys in your own area. The data that you provide will help with conservation planning and with adaptive management of these birds and their habitat. It will also help us track avian responses to climate change. The Sagebrush Songbird survey helps connect us to the region, the state, the flyway, and to National Audubon. At the center of Audubon is the meaningful work that we do. Thank you for your contribution to this work.